So you're using DeepSeek, right? Or thinking about it. But there is a voice in your head saying, wait, it's from China. Is it actually safe? Yeah, I get it. Everyone asking this question. Let me show you the real answer. First thing you need to know, it's not scary as you think, but it's also not zero risk. Here's the truth. DeepSeek collects your conversation, your IP address, your behavior data. That's what free AI tools do. All of them. ChatGPT does it, Google Gemini does it. They gotta make money somehow. The difference is, DeepSeek is Chinese, which means there is a possibility that Chinese government could request our data, but here, what people don't talk about. The US government does the same thing to American companies. It's just you don't hear about it as much. So what should you actually worry about? Let me be specific. Safe to share. General questions and brainstorming, writing help and code generation. Never ever share your password, your Aadhaar number and ID info. Bank detail and financial stuff, proprietorship business information, confidential document. Think about it like this. Would you shout this information in crowded coffee shop? If the answer is no, then don't put it in DeepSeek. Here's the game changer. Anonymize your data, remove names, numbers, personal details, then it becomes basically useless to anyone trying to target you. Let me give you 3 quick things to do right now. Number 1, don't share your password ever. Not with DeepSeek, not with ChatGPT, not with anyone. Number 2, check what data you are comfortable with. If you are a casual user, you are fine. But if you are a company with secrets, maybe pick something private. Number 3, use VPN if you are paranoid. Honestly, it helps your IP address stay hidden. But here's the thing nobody tells you. The bigger risk isn't DeepSeek stealing your data. It's you accidentally putting sensitive stuff in there. Look, if this actually helped you figure out whether to trust DeepSeek or not, I really appreciate you if you hit that subscribe button. I am making videos exactly like this, actually useful stuff and solving real problems. No fluffs, just answers. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you using DeepSeek? What are you worried about? Let's figure this out together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.